happy. Make it a great day Monday. Today is August 8th, which is National Happiness Happens Day. National Happiness Happens Day is about making the most out of your life. Being happy. Now, a lot of us are always happy every day, and other people strive to be happy. So, how can we be more happy throughout our day, throughout the month, throughout the year, throughout the decade, throughout our lifetime? Well, that's all about National Happiness Happens Day. It's different ways that you and I and we can all be happy together, making it count for a good cause. Fun fact, in the early 1880s, women gathered together and they were known to have special groups called the Happy Hour Club or the Happy Hour Social Group where they could get together amongst women and be happy and share happy memories. So you ask yourself, how can I celebrate Happiness Happens Day today? Well, what you can do is spread happiness by calling someone, sending a card, sending edible arrangements or flowers. You can also start by when you walk down the street today, smile to a random stranger that you don't know on the street and you can make their day. Yes, you can. Si se puede. What you can also do is give kudos to a coworker, a former coworker, someone who helped you out, someone who you've assisted. Send kudos out to someone you know to make their day. It goes a long way, trust me. What you can also do to boost your morale to make you happy and appreciative is write a list of things that you have accomplished, things that you have enjoyed doing that will make you happy and boost your morale. Whatever you choose to do today, I want everyone to be happy, to inspire each other. And until then, I will see you next week.